We upgraded. We got out of our tiny little Airbnb and I was so cramped in there that I even sprung for a junior suite. Like, no hotel room to a thing. Tomorrow's my birthday, so I sprung for a junior suite and I have my own damn bed. Whew. Free at last, free at last. So here's the room tour. We are in the Crown Victoria Hotel, still in Queretaro. Only here for 2 days and we go back to Merida. I'm so excited. But let me show you what our junior suite looks like. Hello guys, it's Mo and I am back in Merida as it says. So this is future Mo coming in the video here, and I'm staying in this lovely house in Cholula here in Merida. I wanted to jump in and say happy December. Happy December. Today is December 1st where I'm editing this and I'm actually gonna post it today. Why? Because this is the start of Vlogmas. I am going to attempt Vlogmas. So I wanted to just, before we get into the actual video for today, come on here and explain why I'm doing Vlogmas, what our goals are, and what we're going to be doing. So first of all, Vlogmas is supposed to be a thing where you post a video every single day leading up to Christmas, right? Some people even do it for the whole of December. I don't know how much we are going to do, but let us see what we can. I wrote down a whole list of video ideas. I want to bring you more information from here in Merida, moving to Mexico, all of that. I have a whole list of ideas, and of course I will be asking you for some of the videos that you guys want to see from me here in Merida as well. I of course will be doing a video explaining why I'm back in Merida and what the plan is, so don't worry, it's coming, but we're going to wrap up Queretaro first. So that's what we're going to do today. Before I do all of that though, I'm coming on here to say I do have a goal for Vlogmas. So I have a roommate. We are staying in a house, in a lovely home in Cholula, because you know, due to the sudden way I came back to Merida, I don't know if you're aware, but you need like four months rent up front to rent anywhere in Merida. So that was just not something I was prepared to do immediately. So what I'm going to do is to try and do Vlogmas as a fundraising thing. Hear me out, hear me out. I'm going to do the videos that you guys want me to do, and if you are enjoying the Vlogmas series, I am going to ask you to chip in if you can. If you feel called to, if it's something that you'd like to do. I will be leaving a link, a buy me a coffee link. I'll put it on the screen here, and it's going to be down in the description box below, that you can donate to the cause if you want to. So what I'm trying to do is to raise $3,000 US so that me and Munchkin can rent back our own space here in Merida. That's how much it's going to take. I'll explain all of the logistics behind that figure in a future upcoming video. But if $300 want to give me $10, then we can meet the goal. May I ask for enough, but let's see what we can do. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy this series and will feel compelled to donate if you can. I will leave the link below, and it is a donation link that you can see where we are, so you can see if nobody not give me nothing, or you can see if we're getting close to the goal or not. So again, the link is down below. It's a buy me a coffee link. You will see it down below. I'll leave it on the screen here. If you're enjoying the series and you've been enjoying the content on the video so far, thank you so much for anything that you choose to help with or not. If you're just enjoying the videos and all you want to do is to subscribe or give me a like and a thumbs up, I truly appreciate that as well, because it helps the channel to grow. That's the reason number 2 why I'm doing Vlogmas, is that I would love for this channel to grow to a point where it is actually bringing me some income, and it's helping me to produce the content that you want to see, so that I can go out and do all the things and film all the things. Let's get back to the video, but I just wanted to jump in here and share that with you. So you come in from the door. Now, poor little me never knows I ever put the key in here to turn on all the lights and everything. We had to call downstairs to figure that out. But here's our little kitchenette. Like, we've been in an Airbnb for 12 nights with no kitchen. I feel that was the worst. That was the absolute worst. And now we're only here for 2 days. I wish we were here longer. But then we have our little eating area, and we have a couch. We not only have 2 beds, we have a couch to lounge. Oh my goodness. Our TV, the windows. Look, we have storage for clothes. Man. Hey. And then this is the bathroom. Let's see what it's giving. The shower is still a little bit small. I won't lie. But it's an upgrade from where we're coming from for sure. This is what we are working with. The only thing I wish is that it had its own balcony, but Munchkin is like, well, we need a balcony for. So, whatever. There's not much of a view anyway. Let's see what's outer door giving. So this is what the view would be anyway. We're on the block behind that one. So here is our view of Queretaro out the window. It has 2 ACs, but I don't know what we need them there for. Open up a window, we'll be just fine. There's a safe. There's an iron, I don't know what iron, nothing. And then you have ample space. Look at iron board and everything. Yeah man, this is nice. This is more than suitable. Munchkin, fire up the TV. Let's watch a movie. Ugh. Watch her. I should just want to sit down on the couch and scroll all day long. They don't need no salt. Why do pigeons love statues? No sé. I have one pound. What weird. Like you literally have to climb all the way up there to. No, sir. They would have to miss me with that job. Munchkin's pretty cold. We're not gonna last long out here. So we're in the Plaza de la Independencia. How is this on my tongue? The Plaza de la Independencia. Because I'm trying not to say Independencia. That's not how it's pronounced. Anyways. And we just had the loveliest meal. And now we are just walking around a little bit to do some sightseeing. As I said, I don't know how long we're gonna last because Munchkin's a little cold. Queretaro is not built for these Jamaican bones. That is pretty. This whole street is kind of cute. That is something. I always kind of feel a little bit weird going inside like a church or a temple or anything. So we're gonna admire from outside because I just think it's so weird when people are in there like worshiping or, you know, being all holy, and then I'm in there being sightseeing. Like, I don't like that aspect. But they are beautiful. Look at it from the side. Wow. 10 pesos is not bad. To keep it clean, you need to be. Oh. Golden hour is really lighting up these buildings. Look, we're getting a little bit of the sunset coming through. Ooh, another door. Should take a picture right there. These doors are very picture worthy. Wow. He said we should go this way, so up we go. This road's a little busier. Lots of shops and bars and restaurantes. This is cute right here. A very cute shop. I'm not going inside, but it's very cute. Cocina Yucateca. Ooh, in here is fancy. It's a hotel. It smells good too. There's a Yucatecan kitchen. I wonder if their food would be better than in Merida. A restaurant in there. This is a very trendy street, it seems. Another restaurant, rooftop vibes. Ooh. Oh, I wonder if those are houses. Yeah, we could live right there. And then come and eat Swexican. Swexican burgers. And buy art. Or you could stay at the Cinco de Mayo Hotel. This is cute. Pretty view of the city. I wish that was our view from our room. It's gorgeous. What floor are we on? Really? Alright, I'm gonna try this soup. It's tortilla soup with crema and queso. It can work with, you know. It can work with it. More like a fix up. Put some of the chili. Want some pollo. But it can work with. You know, try yours with the chips. I'm telling you that would taste good with the chips. I'm kind of vegetable in a second. So guys, we did not do much in Queretaro because I had decided kind of midway through that I wanted to come back to Merida. So make sure you're subscribed, stay tuned. I'm about to explain why we came back to Merida on the next video. Another flight, another city. Another flight, another city. Funny shirt. Still. How did I lose my window seat privileges? How? Hey guys, welcome back to Merida. I cannot tell you how excited and happy I am to be back and how much this place now feels like home. So welcome back home. We're back in Merida, guys, and this is the first Airbnb that we stayed in just for a couple of days until we could figure out something more long term. So again, as long as me and Munchkin have two different beds, we're all right, even if we share the same space. You know what I mean? That's my boo thing. But Jano, she need her own bed. This time I made sure that we had a proper kitchenette. So you see this one all having coffee and seasoning and pot and pan and so. Did I use the pot and pan? No, but we were only there for, I think, what, 3 nights, 4 nights? I don't remember. We were just here for a short stint, but it was very nice to at least have a sink to wash out my cup them and so. So it had a little, what's this, combi robe? That's what we call them in Jamaica. So that you can put clothes, and we had blankets for the night because we certainly turned on the AC. We're definitely back in Merida and the heat is heating. We have the bathroom here. The little sink area and the bathroom that didn't have anything on the floor to keep out the water. That was new for me, but it worked. When you shower in there, the whole place never wet up, so I was like, okay, cool. That was very different. See me, I move it for sure. You say there is nothing there to, like, you know, keep the water in. So I was very concerned when I saw it, but the man was like, yeah man, you're cool, you're crisp. And when we showered, you know, everything was fine. So the first thing we did, of course, go to the mall. This is Walmart again. It's like every time we land somewhere we have to go Walmart first. So that's where we went to try and get some supplies. Of course in Merida there is something happening, so there was something happening there. And after we got our supplies and things, we just walked over to Fridays, TGI Fridays, to have dinner, because this is the Walmart that is in Uptown Plaza. There's a Fridays in the mall. So we went, and look here, Barbados rum punch with Appleton special rum. Appleton is a Jamaican rum, please and thanks, but Barbados rum punch. Anyways, the food at Fridays, the food at all the sports bars here in Merida, definitely my fave. They never miss. And so, you know, sometimes when you land and you're in a space, you just want some comfort food. When we landed in Queretaro, we had KFC. Now we're having pasta and chicken nuggets, or whatever you want to call them. These are mac and cheese bites from Fridays, and the food was hitting. It was busting, as the youngins say. The food was good. Next day, we went over to Gallerias. You saw me go to Gallerias in the last Queretaro video, and there is no comparison. This one just turned up. This one is much better. And I found a new little restaurant cafe situation that I can work from all the way in the corner of the mall. It's called the Urban Corner. And I love how it has couches and it has desks with plugs so that you can actually work from. So this is actually the day after. Munchkin was so excited to meet up with her friends. So they were in the mall for like 5-6 hours. Me didn't have to say, hi, hello, a time to go home. So we were in the mall. I got some work done, and the Munchkin had a grand time. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm so happy to be back home here in Merida. Stay tuned for Vlogmas and everything that we have planned coming up. If you made it this far, you are a real one. I love you. Thank you so much for your support. I will see you guys in the next video.